the worst foods starting off would be sugar, but we're not going to avoid that. You just can't. It's in everything. Sugar is probably the worst thing. I suggest that to substitute monk fruit for sugar. It works very well, does not raise your blood sugar level, it doesn't change your A1C. If you can avoid sugar, that would be helpful. Excess alcohol is a problem. Alcohol in minor quantities is actually good for you, particularly red wine. It has resveratrol. It has anti-aging things. So a little bit of alcohol is okay, but excess alcohol creates a fatty liver. And you need your liver to clean out your system. You don't want too many toxins in your bloodstream, because that can slow down the metabolism of your nerves. So that's why. Processed foods, anything that's microwavable is a processed food. They make it so that it doesn't rot, so that bacteria doesn't use it. Well, you have a lot of bacteria in your stomach, in your gut, to break down things to all what you eat, so that it can create nutrition to the mitochondria in your cells. So the very basis of over-processed foods are dead and then just don't do anything for you. So they take up empty space, and many times they're designed so that they don't rot. It's just not good for you. Starches are essentially sugar. For instance, a potato is starches, carbohydrates, but they're not bad for you if you eat the skin. Most of us, if you can remember or think about going to a restaurant and getting a baked potato, we eat the middle part of the potato and leave the skin. Mother Nature gives us the skin not only to protect the potato from the environment, but it has the proper minerals to help us metabolize it. So you really don't want just to eat the white part of a potato, and you don't really want to eat rice that's had the hull again removed. White rice by itself is pretty much broken down into sugar. Same thing with a potato. But with the hull on it, brown rice, then you get the minerals necessary to digest it. The last thing I would say to avoid is tap water. Bathe in it. That's good. I wouldn't even give it to your dog. If you like your dog, we all love our dogs. You should have a water filter, or you should buy bottled water, particularly on that water that has minerals in it. If your water is pure, like distilled water, that doesn't have any minerals, that's really not all that good for you. You need the water to bathe and hydrate your nerves, but it needs minerals. So, and it needs to be clean water. Tap water has fluoride in it, which is terrible. It has way too much sodium in it. There's all kinds of things, lead in it, aluminum. It's just all the pipes that are out here, and half of them are broken now, bringing it dirt from the ground, and some of that ground dirt can be coming from farms where they put pesticides. So tap water is something that's actually bad for you. So I hope that's helpful. If you found it helpful, please click the button below, and that's what we're here for, to give you health, wealth, and happy nerves.